Hello everyone. So we have another problem here called replace employee ID with the unique identifier. We have two tables. For the first one being employees, which has two columns, the ID of the employee and the name of the employee. And it has another table called employee UNI, which has the ID of the employee and also an unique ID. So for the first table, ID is the primary key. And for the second table, both ID and unique ID are the primary keys. So what we have to do here is we have to write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. But if the unique ID is not available for an employee, we'll just have to show null. So these are the examples of the two tables, and this should be the output. So here we have to perform a left join. That's because in the left table, or let's say the employees table, there might be some employees who don't have any unique ID or have no existence in the second table. So in those cases, we have to show null. So we want to keep all the rows from the left table, which is employees. And in case that row does not exist or that ID does not exist in the second table, we'll just show null. So the second table will just be used to pull the names, or the unique IDs of the employees. So let's begin. We'll start by saying select, and we want to select. If you look at the output, we want the unique ID which is present in the second table. So let's say employee UNI dot unique ID, and we also want the name which are available in the first table. So employees dot name, and we want to select this from the first table, and we'll left join the second table. So let's say employees, and we'll say left join the employee UNI. So after this, we have to write the condition, and we'll use the on keyword. So what we want here is that the ID of the first table should match the ID of the second table. So what we'll do is we'll take the name of the first table and say ID, and it has to be equal to the ID of the second table. So .id. So let's run this. Yeah, it has been accepted, and that's how we solve this problem.